In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ollama to n8n. If you're looking to bring local or self-hosted AI models into your automations, connecting Ollama to n8n is a quick way to do it. We'll walk through where to click, what to enter, and how to use the connection once it's saved, so you can start building workflows that call your models with confidence. Start inside your n8n instance. On the left-hand side, open the Personal section, then head to the Credentials tab. This is where n8n keeps secure connection details for the services you use. Click the Create Credential button in the top right corner to add a new one. Creating a dedicated credential here keeps your workflows clean and reusable, since you won't need to retype connection details each time. When the list of services appears, use the search bar to type Ollama, then select it and click Continue. Searching is the fastest way to filter down the options, and selecting the Ollama entry ensures the fields you see next are tailored to that integration. You're not creating a workflow yet, just preparing a connection that any workflow can reference later. Now enter the credentials needed for the API connection and click Save. The exact fields may include items like a base URL or host, a port, and any token or headers your setup requires. If you're running Ollama locally with default settings, you'll usually point to your local address. If it's running on a server or behind a proxy, use that host and port instead. Keep your entries accurate and minimal, only fill what your environment needs, and avoid adding any personal or sensitive information in labels or descriptions. A clear name, like Ollama, local, helps you recognize it later without exposing details. Once you save, you're ready to use the connection to create nodes in your n8n workflows. When you add an Ollama-related node while building a workflow, choose the credential you just created from the drop-down. From there, you can wire it into the rest of your automation, pass in prompts or inputs from earlier nodes, and send the model's output to whatever comes next. If you ever change where Ollama is hosted, just update this one credential and all workflows that reference it will use the new settings automatically. That's all you need to connect Ollama to n8n. You went to Personal, opened Credentials, created a new credential, selected Ollama, entered the required details, saved it, and you're ready to build. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!